Today on Nerdalific, we're going to look at how to select visible cells only when you are copying data. Sometimes, when you're using Excel and you have cells that are hidden, like when you're using a table and you have specific filters set. Say you want to highlight some data, copy it, and paste it into a different workbook or a different sheet. Sometimes this will also copy the hidden data, yet the hidden data may be something you don't actually want to copy and paste. But there is a way around this, and this is called selecting visible cells only. There are two ways to do this. One is, of course, a keyboard shortcut, and the second is by selecting a special button and adding it to your Excel toolbar so that it will always appear. Let's look at adding that special button first. In order to find and add this special button, we need to modify this quick access toolbar. To get there, we're going to right-click in the gray area that comes below this list of options. Customize the ribbon. Now let's go down on the left side where it says Excel Options and find the Quick Access toolbar. Now where it says to choose the commands from, we'll go to All Commands. There is a lot of commands in Excel that we do not currently have on our Quick Access toolbar. Now we don't need all of them. Let's just scroll down until we find the one that says Select Visible Cells. Select Visible Cells looks like a stack of 4 boxes. Now all you have to do is click the Add button. Now when we click OK and you go back up to the top, the box with the 4 squares that says Select Visible Cells popped up on our Quick Access toolbar. Now let's say we have this filtered on Safeway, and we just want to highlight a few of these rows to copy and paste it into another workbook. There is a possibility that this little hidden row here could also be copied at the same time. In order to make sure that doesn't happen, we just want to click on this little Select Visible Cells button. Now as you can see, that hidden line has become a little white line in between the data. So now when we hit Control-C to copy and then we go down to another sheet and paste it, it is only going to paste those 5 rows of data that we had selected. Now alternatively, there is a keyboard shortcut, as there is with most functions in Excel. So what you need to do is click on the Alt and hold the semicolon key at the same time, and this will automatically select the visible cells only. Now it's up to you which method you go with, but both of them will work. So another little tip. As you can see, there's still dotted lines around this section of data. This is telling us that if we try to paste data, it's still going to paste the same data. Basically, this data is saved on the clipboard right now, waiting for us to paste it somewhere. To get out of this and to cancel that data, you hit Escape on your keyboard, and voila! That has now been removed from your clipboard. Well, thanks for joining us today on Nerdalific, and we'll see you next time.